Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of adding a tag in Brevo. Begin by clicking the Marketing option. This option is usually found on your dashboard and will take you to the section where you can manage all your marketing campaigns. Next, click on Create a Campaign. This button allows you to start setting up a new marketing campaign. Brevo offers different campaign types, such as regular email campaigns, A/B testing, or automated campaigns. Choose the one that best fits your marketing goals. Now choose a descriptive name that reflects the content or purpose of your campaign. This will help you easily identify it later. Once you've named your campaign, you'll be directed to the Campaign Settings page. Here you can customize various aspects of your campaign. Scroll to the bottom of the Settings page and look for the section labeled Additional Settings. Click on it to access more options. In the Advanced Settings, you will find an option to add a tag. Tags help you categorize your campaigns and manage your contacts more effectively. Click on Add a Tag to enter a new tag for your campaign. Choose a relevant name for your tag that will help you recognize it in the future. Tags can be used to track specific themes or target audiences. After entering your tag name, make sure to save your changes. And that's it. You will now see that your tag has been added to your campaign. This will help you organize your newsletters and make it easier to segment your audience for future campaigns. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.